So in this section, I'm just going to take you through the programming environment. So the EV3 brick is connected. Let's now do some programming. But first, let me quickly talk you around the programming environment so you have a good feel for it. In the next module, we will take you through all the programming blocks. We're just going to use a few today. But I just want to point out, as I say, the environment that we're in. So at the top right-hand side, you see that you have a download and you have a run button. We use that now to transfer our program to our robot or to our EV3 programmable brick. And it's replaced the not connected one. Okay, so that's important to point out. Down on the right-hand side, this is called our port view area. It gives us live sensor feedback. And if I actually move my robot with my hand, you should be seeing on screen those values changing with the rotation of its sensors or the degrees in this in the actual motor itself. So you can see that you're getting sensor feedback down here. If I connect more sensors in, I'll get more feedback. The top left, top of the screen, we've got the undo and redo buttons. Pretty self-explanatory. Do something wrong, you can correct yourself. The question mark gives you an idea of what the programming icons do. We'll be using that later. And also, we can cut, copy, and delete things just like we would in other environments that we're using on the tablet. Now, if I quickly drag a few programming blocks up, and this is how we program. We build a program by dragging in these programming blocks. You'll see that one of them has disappeared off the side of the screen. That's called our zoom to fit. And if I click on the zoom to fit button, it just zooms out a little bit so you can see everything. I can also scroll backwards and forwards as well to look at my program if I want to see it bigger. So let's do something really simple, although we will cover it again in the next module. Let's start by dragging the move steering block up onto our programming canvas. And what we're going to do is press the run button and see what happens. Just going to do a little turn though. I'm going to do a little turn to the right. And we click on the play, download and play button. What should happen is our robot turns off to the right. Okay. What I'm going to do now is to show you the hardware page. Another really nice feature of this tablet app. Let's move on to that.